Kia ora, everyone. Kia ora, everybody. Week 10. Kia pai tō. Can you say kia pai tō? Kia pai tō. And this is be good, pai, tō, your. And then you can say wiki for week, rā for day. So let's practice wiki first. Kia pai tō wiki. One more. Kia pai tō wiki. Now let's say it with rā, meaning day. Kia pai tō rā. One more time. Kia pai tō rā. Nice and fast. Kia pai tō rā. Excellent. But of course, because it's week 10, you don't need to say those ones. You could say kia pai tō harare, meaning have a worked holiday. Harare. 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 Kia pai tō harare, everybody. Ka kite.